where do you see AI going as far as its transformative impact onto product and engineering?
As AI gets better, there's lots of naysayers out there, right? Yeah, AI will never write code. AI is never going to be able to write code good enough. I might be a little contrarian to that. I think the more you use it, the more you kind of analyze what it's doing, the more you start seeing that it's getting better and better and better. And it's like it's very exponential. It's not linear, right? It's getting better exponentially better. I think people will often look at it and say it's not writing code the way I can write code. Well, I don't write code like you write code either, right? I have my own personal style. I know Mishka and I were talking before this about I started playing with Windsurfer from Codium, right? And it is amazing. It's cursor AI. It's just a different flavor, but it is night and day to a year ago. Right, a year ago, things didn't create files for you. They didn't do create command line commands for you. Now it's just, hey, tell me why this error is happening on this import. Oh, you're missing the import. Here, let me write the command line for you. Great, thanks. You want me to execute it? Sure. Like all of it's just a conversation now. Now, do you have to go back and make sure the code's good and read it? Sure. That's going to be the skill set of the future is understanding the domain you're working in so that you understand the code within the domain, right? It's not going to be, can I write authentication code? It's going to be, is the authentication and authorization code, according to how we need to do it? Not so much, how do I write? I was telling Mishka, I spent the weekend and just said, hey, I want an app that is going to use Supabase for authorization, and the Postgres database is Supabase, and here's kind of the objects I'm going to want in the database. And it scaffolded it all out. It wrote all the authentication, authorization code for me. I didn't do anything. And I'm like, that is and it was a 30-minute time period. I think some of the stuff, I think it's called product chat. I think where we start to see benefits is when we can take product requirements and have them get processed through something to produce the code, right? To look at requirements, and requirements are written in such a way that they can take a requirement and instantly feed it into a system, right? And get some sort of code out of it. I was having a conversation with my son, who's actually a computer guy, scientist up in DC, but he has my two young granddaughters, and we were talking about the future of computer science. And for me, I said, I don't know that I could suggest computer science as a skill to go. I'd go get a good English major and know how to write prompts. Like that's what I would, that's the future, is being able to write prompts. But also, as we get more into the agents, I think that's where you're going to see the fundamental changes, is moving from ChatGPT into agents that have workflows that are actually executing things using AI and using the LLMs, right? That's the future. And I don't think we're that far away.